Hi, I'm Catherine Rice. My family and I have owned High Falls Gorge for over 72 years. It is a unique 22-acre, privately owned nature park and tourist attraction. We are completely surrounded by state land, and we would love to show you its unique features. Come, let's go.
High Falls Gorge is a private park within the forever wild Adirondacks State Park in upstate New York. We are located directly along a beautiful scenic route in prime location situated between the Olympic Village of Lake Placid and the Olympic ski resort Whiteface Mountain. Our 22-acre park encompasses over 2,000 feet of waterfront on both sides of the west branch of the Ausable River, and our property to the north abuts Whiteface Mountain Ski Resort. We are open year-round with close to 70,000 visitors a year that pass through our Adirondack-style main lodge, which features a gift shop, restaurant cafe, and bar with seating for 46 and fully equipped commercial kitchen. Outdoors you'll find our Woodlands event and wedding venue with everything you will need for catering large-scale events. Along the riverbank, we have 3 steel bridges with 350 feet of steel walkway systems and manicured trails, showing 4 spectacular waterfalls flowing over ancient granite cliffs with lookout stations and educational signage. The Adirondack region has been a popular global tourist destination for generations and is widely known for its natural beauty, first-class outdoor recreation, history, and family-friendly activities.